Yo, what is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Benny. Right behind me I have the S2000. I'm in the process of taking out the motor. Well, hopefully I get it out tonight. I'm not 100% sure. I'm still removing the transmission apart from the engine. I know sometimes you can do it all one piece, but I'd rather kind of, I don't know. I don't know. I'm doing what I know. So yeah, so let's see how it goes. Currently I got most of the transmission apart. I got the motor mounts off. Right now it's just on the jack. So yeah, so I don't know. We'll see how it goes. Hopefully I get it out tonight. I forgot to get like chains and stuff like that to put it to the hoist, so we'll see how it goes. I was not able to get the engine out. The transmission was just being a bitch coming out. It didn't want to. Just didn't want to. So I gotta leave it like this for now. Unfortunately. But I mean, it's like almost out. Almost out. And it did break this skunk too. Brand new skunk too. Can't see it, but it broke it. My fucking format. What a bitch. Alright, you guys. Well, there she is. She's in storage. Gonna be here for a while. I miss you, big pal. I'm just kidding, but yeah, it's out. I had it out last week. I'm putting it in storage this week. So it's gonna sit here for a while. I'm gonna focus on the other one. The other one's gonna be NA, like I said, all power. This one, I'm gonna later in the future tear it down and see if I'm able to rebuild it for boost. Hopefully it's nothing too major, but for now, it's just gonna sit here. We love you. We'll see you later.